Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Got another video for you today in the shop on a 2025 141 OTG pop-up camper. So stats are going to be up at the beginning of the video, beginning of the screen here. I'm going to take you around the outside, show you what's new, get you on the inside, show you what's new in there as well. But let's get started. First thing we're going to notice here is you're actually going to have fiberglass. And then just kind of taking a step back here, everything all constructed. This is more of your entry-level pop-up tent. Coming on over. So you'll see your battery box hanging out in the back. And you're going to be seeing your support rods that are going to go up, obviously supporting this here, that travel all the way down, that go into these circles right here. Then you're going to have your power cord sitting over off to the right here. Coming on over this way, getting a nice side view of it. I really like that gray color on this one. And you'll see our 30 amp service power cord is going to be right off in the middle there. Coming around to the rear, there's those other support rods. And then you do have your spare tire on the back. I'll take a step back, get another view of this side here. So this is very similar to the 14 OTG as far as I'm concerned. The major difference is going to be that fiberglass on the outside. Really like that color. Again, 141 OTG, OTG standing for off the ground, which you can see right here. Jumping on in, so if you've watched some of the videos before on our channel on our pop-up campers, especially, again, that 14 OTG, the inside's going to look very, very similar. It's going to look the exact same, actually. So just kind of standing in here, so you'll have your two beds. One bed's going to be right there. The other bed's going to be right behind me. We're going to have our fan right here. So this in front of us is also going to be our table, or it can be another sleeping spot for a guest. We're going to have just two little small storage spaces right there. And actually, I'm going to take a step back because for folks that are laying on this bed, you actually have some device charging outlets sitting right here. It's a little bit darker in here today, so apologies. And then just kind of coming back around here is going to be your other bed. More device charging outlets are going to be on that side as well, so if you want to charge your phone at night. And then this is also going to come with the portable toilet. And then just down below, you're going to have your fire extinguisher there. Now, this is new to me. I haven't seen this in the Flagstaff pop-ups here. So this one says, why a tent camper? So I'm just going to have that hovered over real quick just to get a little bit more information. You can also see the floor plan as well. Definitely feel free to pause and get a little bit more information. And then above me is the door that comes down to latch closed for you. So just wanted to get this video out quick for everybody that's watching. My name's Nate from Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. If you want more information on this unit, all of my information is going to be in the description box down below for call, text, or email. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for getting Bullion RV to 18,000 subscribers. Again, my name's Nate from Bullion RV. We'll see you in the next one.